click the big purple plus button in the center. This opens a list of apps you can use to trigger your automation. There are hundreds of options. Today, we want our automation to run when someone submits a contact form. We'll use Tally for our web form builder because it's free, easy to use, and integrates well with Make. In the app search, type Tally, choose Watch New Response as the trigger. It's instant, so the moment someone submits the form, your automation will start. Select that option, and Tally loads it in as your trigger. A pop-up appears to create a webhook. A webhook is a way for one app to instantly notify another when something happens. In this case, when someone submits a form. The webhook delivers that info to Make, triggering your automation. First, we need a web form. Use the link on screen or in the description to sign up for Tally. Once signed up, you'll land on the Tally dashboard. Click New Form. Name it something descriptive, like Contact Form. Click Use a Template, and select the Contact Form template by Marie Martins. In the window that appears, click Use this template. To add more fields, hover near an existing field and click the plus button to insert a block. For example, add a date field for preferred meeting day, a time field for the meeting time, and a link field for a website. For the placeholder text, enter website or social media profile. This helps the AI personalize responses later. You can customize the thank you page or the form's style, but we'll skip that for now. Click Publish to preview your form. Click Copy, open a new tab, and paste the link. And here you can see the live web form. Now let's connect the form to Make. In Make, for the Tally trigger, click Create a Webhook. Name it, then click Create a Connection. Select Tally OAuth, and click Save. Authorize Make to connect with Tally. Now select your contact form under Form ID, and click Save. Now we need some test data. Go to your live Tally form and fill it out with some sample data. Before submitting, in Make, click the purple Run Once button at the bottom left. When the spinning icon appears, return to your Tally form and click Submit. You'll see a pop-up in Make with the form data and a green check mark showing it worked.